Since 1958, the Village Inn has proven itself as a family restaurant brand, and it follows a simple recipe for success. Provide good food, good feelings, reasonable price, relaxing atmosphere. Village Inn is actually part of American Blue Ribbon Holdings, which is a diversified food services company operating other family and casual dining restaurant groups in the United States. Restaurants are a hard business to be in.
Well, I'd say come and see us if you're looking for quality food in a comfortable environment with friendly service. We're third generation family owned and operated business. We're serving breakfast, lunch, and dinner from open to close. So come see us for some comfort food.
All right, that's and for some comfort generally, from what I know,
Exactly.
Having been at your restaurant several times.
Indeed.
All right. Okay. Well, thank you, Ryan. It's been great having you and helping people understand, some of the 7 forces and how they affect every business. In this case, restaurants in particular.
Thank you.